Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set photo 5 by 5 paper size in Excel. Very easily you can set this paper size in Excel. So first you need to click on page layout. Now click on size. Now scroll down and find this photo 5 by 5. This you find it, so just click on it to set it. If you not find here, so you can click here more paper size, and here paper size, just find here and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.